Hey, what's up viewers? A to Z Customs here. Today I'm working on the Ford Ranger again. I'm playing around. My dad's been driving this thing around for a long time with the tailgate cover off. When I asked him why the heck it's off, he said that the door handle or the tailgate handle had not been working, and he took it off to figure out what was wrong, and he found that the rods were disconnected, so he zip tied them. So, take the door handle off, and the problem with the zip ties is the zip ties didn't work so good, so they keep coming off, and then he has to reattach the handle. So, both of these were actually zip tied. I just now bought the new clip that goes onto the rod, and I put that on the first one, basically just to make sure that what Advance was selling me was the correct part. And it is, as you can see here, it's fitting just right. So if your door handle's not working, basically when you try and use it, the tailgate doesn't come down at all. It's most likely caused by these plastic clips, because obviously the plastic, they break down over time. Now I've seen a couple guys fix this by actually like welding a nut, and so it doesn't break again, but these parts are really cheap, and I just stopped by Advance Auto and bought them. It was like $5 for 2 of them, I think. And here's the Dorman pack right here. It's a variety pack. They didn't just have the tailgate clips separately, so you had to buy these other ones. But the code or the item number is 75473. I'll put it in the description as well. Like I said, it's like $5, so this is a super easy fix. Basically, if you're wondering how I got this off, on this Ranger, the tailgate cover is one piece. On some of them, it's 2 pieces, so all you have to do is take off the top part. But literally, there's just some bolts holding it in, and you just remove the bolts, and it pops right out. And you get to this. So basically I'm gonna cut this off right quick, and then I'll show you the plastic piece and I'll put it back on. Got rid of the zip ties. I got this. The most important thing you want to remember here is you don't want it too loose like this. So when it pulls it, so when you pull the door handle, you want it to actually pull the lever over here to unlock the latch. So you don't want it too tight, but you don't want it too loose. So I usually just pull it to the end, and wherever it is at the end, it'll sit just fine. And as you can see, there is a place for where to put the rod, and you close it and it goes inside. Okay, so as you can see, I got it on there, and you can see it pulling. So that's perfect. Just close it up. Let's give it a try. Perfect. Perfect. And that's how you fix your door handle on a Ford Ranger. This isn't just for the 1994 model. I think the Ranger tailgate was pretty much the same until like 05. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to A to Z Customs. Y'all have a good one.